Hey friends, if you encounter USB Wi-Fi not working, access violation error with the error code 100417CF, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Now click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. The next one is to restart the WLAN auto config service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then you can scroll down to the WLAN auto config service here. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, here it is. Right click on it and then select restart. Click on the restart button here. The next one is to update the drivers. Now, how would you update the network drivers? I'll tell you. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now in the device manager window, expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and select update drivers and search automatically for drivers. Finally, you can reset the network settings. How would you do that? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings, select network reset, and finally click on reset now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.